Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Mr. English Learning. I'm Emily.
Paul, and I'm Paul. Thanks for joining us today. We're so happy you're here to learn English with us again.
Emily, today we have one of the most useful topics for anyone learning English: ordering food at a restaurant.
Paul, that's right. Whether you're traveling, studying abroad, or just want to enjoy a meal, you'll definitely need to order food confidently in English.
Emily, exactly. So by the end of this lesson, you'll know how to ask for a table, order food and drinks, talk politely to the waiter, handle small problems, and of course, pay the bill politely.
Paul, let's get started.
Emily, okay, imagine we're going out for dinner. Paul, you're my friend, and we just arrived at a restaurant.
Paul, all right. Let's start our first conversation. Dialogue 1, asking for a table. Paul, good evening. Table for 2, please.
Host, waiter voice by Emily. Of course. Do you have a reservation?
Paul, no, we don't.
Waiter, Emily. That's fine. Please follow me. Here's your table. Emily, thank you.
Paul, could we have a menu, please? Waiter, of course. Here you go.
Emily, thank you so much. Emily, explaining. That's a typical start when you arrive at a restaurant. Notice how Paul said, "Table for 2, please." It's short, polite, and clear.
Paul, yes. And he also said, could we have a menu, please? Always add please to sound polite. Vocabulary and examples. Part 1. Reservation. When you call or book a table before going. Example 1. I made a reservation for 7 p.m. Example 2. Do you have a reservation? Example 3. We need to make a reservation for Friday night. Menu. The list of food and drinks. Example 1. Can I see the menu, please? Example 2. The menu looks great today. Example 3. There's a new menu for summer. Table for 2. A simple way to say how many people. Example 1. Table for 4, please. Example 2. Is there a table for 1? Example 3. We'd like a table for 2 near the window. Section 2. Ordering food. Paul. Now let's imagine we're ready to order.
Emily, yes, I'm hungry already.
Dialogue 2. Ordering from the menu. Waiter. Paul. Are you ready to order?
Emily, yes, I'd like the grilled chicken with vegetables, please. Waiter, sure. And what would you like to drink? Emily, I'll have a glass of orange juice. Waiter, great. And for you, sir?
Paul. I'll take the spaghetti bolognese and a Coke, please. Waiter, perfect. Your food will be ready soon.
Emily, explaining, when you order, you can use, I'd like. I'll have. Both are polite and natural ways to order.
Paul, right. And never just say, give me. That sounds rude. Always add please and use I'd like or I'll have. Vocabulary and examples. Part 2. I'd like. Polite way to ask for something. Example 1. I'd like a coffee, please. Example 2. I'd like the chicken sandwich. Example 3. I'd like to order dessert. I'll have. Also polite, slightly more casual. Example 1. I'll have the soup. Example 2. I'll have a Coke. Example 3. I'll have what she's having. Waiter/waitress, the person who serves food. Example 1. The waiter took our order. Example 2. The waitress was very friendly. Example 3. Let's call the waiter for the bill. Order, to ask for food or drinks. Example 1. Are you ready to order? Example 2. We ordered pizza and salad. Example 3. Let's order dessert. Section 3. Mini role play number 1.
Emily, let's do a short role play for practice. You can listen and repeat after us.
Paul, waiter. Good afternoon. Are you ready to order?
Emily, customer. Yes, I'd like a cheeseburger and some fries, please.
Paul, would you like something to drink?
Emily, yes. A cola, please.
Paul, anything else?
Emily, no, that's all. Thank you.
Paul, great. Your order will be ready soon.
Emily, thank you.
Paul, explaining. Easy, right? Remember to sound polite and friendly.
Section 4. Small problems at a restaurant. Emily, sometimes things don't go perfectly. Maybe your food is cold or not what you ordered.
Paul, that's true. But don't worry. You can fix it politely. Dialogue 3. Handling a problem.
Emily, excuse me, I think this isn't what I ordered. I asked for chicken, but this is fish.
Waiter, Paul. Oh, I'm so sorry about that. I'll change it right away.
Emily, thank you very much. Waiter, my pleasure. It'll be just a few minutes.
Paul, explaining. Always start with, excuse me. That's polite and helps you sound calm.
Emily, and you can say, I think there's a mistake or this isn't what I ordered. Never shout or get angry, just stay polite. Vocabulary and examples. Part 3. Excuse me. Polite way to get someone's attention. Example 1. Excuse me, can I have the bill? Example 2. Excuse me, this soup is cold. Example 3. Excuse me, where's the restroom? Mistake, something wrong. Example 1. There's a mistake with my order. Example 2. I made a mistake on the form. Example 3. Everyone makes mistakes. Change it right away. Fix the problem quickly. Example 1. I'll change it right away. Example 2. The waiter changed my drink right away. Example 3. Please change my seat right away. Section 5. Paying the bill. Emily, after you finish eating, it's time to pay. Let's learn how to do that politely.
Dialogue 4. Asking for the bill. Paul, customer. Excuse me, can we have the bill, please?
Waiter, Emily. Of course. Here you go.
Paul, do you take credit cards? Waiter, yes, we do. Paul, perfect. Thank you. The food was delicious. Waiter, thank you very much. Have a great day.
Emily, always say, can we have the bill, please? Or could I have the check, please? Both mean the same thing.
Paul, and don't forget to say thank you and the food was great. It's polite and friendly. Vocabulary and examples. Part 4. Bill/check. The paper that shows how much you need to pay. Example 1. Can I have the bill, please? Example 2. The check is on the table. Example 3. Let's split the bill. Delicious, very tasty. Example 1. This cake is delicious. Example 2. The food was delicious. Example 3. You cook delicious meals. Credit card. Plastic card used for payment. Example 1. Can I pay by credit card? Example 2. I forgot my credit card. Example 3. They only accept cash, not credit cards. Section 6. Mini story number 2.
Emily. Now let's listen to a short story.
Paul. Okay, here's dinner with friends.
Narrator, Emily. Last Friday, Paul and his friends went to an Italian restaurant. They asked for a table for 4. The waiter was very friendly and gave them menus.
Paul, I ordered pizza and my friends ordered pasta. The food was delicious. But one friend, Sarah, got the wrong dish. She said politely, "Excuse me, I think there's a mistake."
Emily. The waiter said, "I'm sorry. I'll change it right away." Then everything was perfect. After dinner, they said, "Can we have the bill, please?" and left a small tip.
Paul, a great story and lots of useful expressions there. Section 7. Extra practice.
Emily, now it's your turn. I'll ask some questions and you can answer out loud. What do you say when you want a table? Pause for listener. Table for 2, please. How do you ask for the menu? Pause. Can I have the menu, please? How do you order politely? Pause. I'd like the chicken, please. How do you ask for the bill? Pause. Can we have the bill, please?
Paul. Excellent. Keep repeating these sentences to sound natural and confident. Section 8. Review.
Emily, let's review what we learned today.
Paul. We practiced how to ask for a table and menu, order food politely, handle mistakes, and pay the bill.
Emily. We also learned over 15 useful words and phrases like reservation, menu, delicious, and bill.
Paul, remember, always be polite, smile, and say please and thank you.
Emily, that's all for today's lesson. Ordering food at a restaurant.
Paul, we hope you enjoyed learning with us.
Emily, if you liked this lesson, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share with your friends.
Paul, and practice every day. The more you speak,